Alright, we're going to do a quick locker demonstration. Go ahead and put it in neutral. Engage all those. Put it in drive. That's all three of those engaged. Now going to disengage. Alright, and that's all three of them disengaged.